Hello students, welcome to the class of teacher Meenal Pereira. In today's class, we are going to study about the green part of the plant and of course that is leaf. Are you all ready? Okay, let's begin. Leaves grow from the nodes on a stem. In the last class, we studied about stem. There we studied node. And what we studied there, that leaves grows from the nodes on a stem. Okay, so this diagram, this shows you the node and we see the leaf coming out of it. Okay, so it grows from the node on a stem. Leaves are generally thin, flat and green in color. Okay, so you all know that leaves are usually thin, they are flat and green in color. Now let's study about the various parts of the leaf. So this is the structure or this is the diagram of the leaf. Let's see how or each part in detail. The first part, that is the broad spread out part of the leaf, is called the leaf blade or lamina. Okay, so this broad part, the entire broad spread out part, broad means big, spread out, that is in all direction part of the leaf is called leaf blade. So this is the entire green color one that you can see. This is a leaf blade or lamina. And its edge is called the leaf margin. So edge means end. So this edge of the leaf is called as leaf margin. Then the tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. Tip means the end part. So this part is called as leaf apex. It may be tapering. Tapering means gradually becoming pointed. Now look at this leaf. At the base it is very thick and then slowly it is becoming thin and pointed and here this point or this tip has become pointed. That is called as tapering or pointed or rounded. Now in some leaves this point is not there. The leaves in complete round shape. So that we will see just later little bit about it. Okay, but now just note that the leaf end or the tip of the leaf is either pointed or rounded or tapering. Then leaves of some plants have a stalk called a petiole. Okay, so this is a stalk. Now this is a stalk that is called as petiole. Leaves of some plants do not have petiole. Not all leaves have petiole. Some has a petiole, whereas now see these leaves. These are the leaves. These are directly attached to the stem. There is no petiole as such. So petiole is basically helps the or connects the leaf to the stem. But here we don't see any petiole. So it might have a petiole. It might not have a petiole. Then going further, the portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called the leaf base. Okay, so this is the portion of the leaf that is attached to the stem. That is called as leaf base. So this is the leaf base. Now this base is from where the leaves start. Okay, so this is the leaf base where it is attached to the stem. Then small leaf-like structure may present near the leaf base, which are called as stipules. So now see here, this leaf-like structures, can you see? These are present at the leaf base, which are called as stipules. Okay, so we studied about the apex, the margin, the veins. Veins means we will all these, just like how we have blood vessels in our body, like that leaves also have veins. Okay, then this is a midrib. Okay, again the main vein kind of thing. Then the base, the petiole, the stipule. So these are the various parts of the leaf. Now going to the different types of leaf margin. Margin means end. So you see children, the leaves around you. Okay, all the leaves have different shape, different structure, different margin. Okay, so it could be entire as you can see here. Now look at the end children. Margin means end, I told you. So it is entire, example beech, or In the strawberry leaves, it is dented. Now see, curved is there, no? That is called dented or dent. Or it could be lobed, like oak plant, it is lobed. See the structure, okay? So do you see difference in the margin of these three leaves? Yes, definitely difference is there. Okay, so entire type, then dented or dent, and lobed. So these are the different types of leaf margin. Then next we go to the type of leaves, which are the two main types of leaves. And the two types are simple leaves and compound leaves. Now let's study what is simple and what is compound. Okay, first we study about the simple leaf. Now look at the simple leaf. What is a simple leaf? Leaves of some plant have a single undivided leaf blade and a single midrib. Okay, so see here. This is a single undivided leaf blade and a single midrib. Midrib means middle wing, as I told you. So such leaves are called as simple leaves. Okay, so undivided simple. Whereas, now see the compound leaf. Do you see, what do you see here? Is this leaf and this leaf different? Yes, of course different. And what is the difference? The leaf blade of leaves in some plants is divided into many small parts called leaflets. Now, this is one leaf, that is, or leaf blade is divided into many small parts, which are called as leaflets. So such leaves are called as compound leaves. So simple leaves were single undivided leaf blade, and compound leaves where the leaf blade is divided into many small leaflets. Then we have how the leaves are arranged on the stem. That is also different. Okay, so in different plants, the arrangement of leaves on the stem is different. It may be alternate, as you can see here, alternate, one here, one here, one here, one here, or it could be spiral. See here, it is in the form of a spiral or like a spring, or opposite, one this side, one this side, one this side, one this side, opposite, or whorled, like a bunch it looks. See these leaves, this look like a bunch. So those are called as whorled or whorled. So different arrangement of leaves on the stem. Then different shape of leaves. What are the different shape? As I told you when we were studying about the structure, I said that the tip of the leaf is having different shapes. So let's see what are the shapes. Okay, so we have rounded. See the tip is rounded here, or which is also called as obovate leaf or palmate. Now see the tip. See that this is a compound type of leaf. Okay, see how is the leaflet or what is the shape of the leaf. Then we have a lanceolate. This is a lanceolate type of leaf where you can see that the end is tapering or pointed. And then we have linear. Linear also you see that the leaf margin or leaf tip is a pointed end. Okay, so these are the different shape of the leaves that we have. Then next we study about the type of venation. Now what is basically a venation? Now you all know that in our body we have blood vessels. Blood vessels carry blood to various parts of the body. Now plants are also living thing. Plants also require food, oxygen, water. What we have studied? Root absorbs water. Stem transport the water. Now how these water or mineral is taken to leaf or various parts of the leaf? That is by the means of this venation. Okay, so you can consider that how we have network of blood vessels in our body. A very similar structure plants have or leaf have, and that is called as its venation. So let's see what is venation. Take a peepal leaf and a maize leaf and observe them carefully. We have taken two types of leaf here, a peepal leaf and a maize leaf. Okay. The peepal leaf is divided into two equal parts by a single mid vein which lies along the midline of the leaf blade. Very clearly you can see here that we can divide this leaf into two equal parts. Secondary veins arise from the mid vein. So this is the mid vein, this big one. The middle one is the mid vein. And then you see these are all secondary veins. See here. Here is the secondary vein, the secondary vein. So they are starting from the mid vein and reaching towards the end or leaf margin. They are branched and form a network or reticulum. See here, this we can see the network of the veins. Thus, people leaf blade has a reticulate venation. So this is a first type of venation that we called as reticulate venation, where we see where it is come together or gather, or just like a strainer or channi, how we have like that small reticulate venation we can see. So this is we can see in case of a people leaf. Then second is called parallel venation. Now what is parallel is, in the leaves of maize, all the veins are parallel, running from the leaf base to leaf apex. This is the leaf base to leaf apex. See here, these are all parallel lines. You have studied in maths parallel lines. What is the meaning of parallel lines? The lines that do not intersect. So if we see the veins here, you can see that the veins are not intersecting, but they are running parallel like railway tracks, right? So running from the leaf base to the leaf apex. Okay, so this type of venation is called as parallel venation. So the maize leaf blade has a parallel venation. Okay, so we studied the two types of venation. The first one we studied reticulate venation, where we have network of veins, whereas we have a parallel venation. Very simple. Very clearly it is observed in the diagram how we can differentiate between these two types of venation. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to you. Okay, leaves, we see green color leaves everywhere, and leaves are very important. You all know leaves take part in the process of photosynthesis. So leaves are very important. So we studied about different types of leaf, different structure of leaf, how it is connected to stem, and what are the main two types of venation. Okay, so everybody understood? Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. So quickly we will recap the various parts of the leaf. Which are the parts that we have studied? We studied, repeat after me, leaf apex, leaf margin, veins, leaf blade, petiole, stipule, and leaf base. Then which are the different type of leaf margins? We studied entire, dented, and lobed. Then types of leaves, two types, simple leaf and compound leaf. And types of venation, reticulate venation and parallel venation. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this. Okay, very simple, very important part of the plant. Please do not pluck leaves and disturb or harm the plant, because plant or leaf are very important for the process of photosynthesis, and it also gives us oxygen, which is our life. Okay, so thank you very much. God bless you.